Hi there, my name is Shamara Nicholson. I'm an English teacher. I've been teaching for about 3 years in Bangkok, Thailand. Right now I live in Toronto, Canada. So today we have a very short lesson about comparative adjectives. We're going to talk about that. Now, first, let's just very briefly review what an adjective is. So an adjective is a single word that can be used to describe a noun. For example, my marker is blue. The noun being the marker and the adjective being blue. Next, my water bottle is heavy. My water bottle is the noun, heavy is the adjective. Easy enough. Now sometimes we need to talk about two objects or two nouns in the same sentence and we're comparing them. When we're doing that, that's when you need to use a comparative adjective. For example, my pen is more beautiful than my marker. More beautiful, that's my comparative adjective. And I need to use it because I have two objects in the sentence and I'm comparing them on some particular feature. Now, what are the rules for when we're using comparative adjectives? They're really not hard as long as you remember the two steps. The first step being count the syllables. Syllables are the amount of points in a word, the amount of beats in a word. It's easiest to clap it out, and that's what we'll be doing today. So step one, count the syllables. Let's do that. So our first example here is smart, belonging to the group for one syllable. So smart, smart, one syllable. Next group, two syllables, ending in Y. Our example is friendly, friendly. It belongs to this group here. Next group, two syllables, not ending in Y. Our example, polite, polite. Last group, three or more syllables. Our example, wonderful, wonderful. So now we have counted the syllables. Step two, apply the rule. Every group has their own rule to apply for going from adjective to comparative adjective. So let's check out the rules here. First, our first one for smart, because it is one syllable, the rule says we must add ER. So smart as an adjective will become smarter as a comparative adjective. My dog is smarter than my cat. Next, friendly. For two syllables ending in Y, the rule is Y becomes IER. So friendly becomes friendlier. Okay? My mom is friendlier than my dad. Next, two syllables not ending with Y. Our example was polite. The rule is more and then the adjective. So more polite. That's all. Don't add anything to the end of the adjective. Last one is three or more syllables. Our example was wonderful. And again, the rule is more plus the adjective. Don't add anything to the end of the adjective. Just keep the word as is. So again, our groups are one syllable, two syllables ending in Y, two syllables not ending in Y, and then three or more syllables. Based on how many syllables you have, simply apply the rule and you'll have your comparative adjective. Sounds like a lot to remember, but the more you practice it, the more natural it'll feel. Take care and good luck.